Hi, in this video I'll show you how to write orbital notation of an element. So far we have learned two ways to write electron configuration. The normal way, noble gas notation, and now I'm going to teach you how to write an orbital notation. So let's grab an example like titanium, which is 3d2. Now, our first step is to write the electron configuration like normal. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, 3d2. Alright, now you're going to write one line on top of all the s's. Three lines on top of all the p's. I'm just using this to show that these three belong to 2p6. And oops, this p did the three lines. Sorry. Okay, all 5 lines on all the d's. Alright, now here we go. 2, we're going to draw half arrows. 1 arrow, 2 arrow. Notice how I didn't draw a full arrow. That's not how it works. You're going to have to draw it like this. Now, 2s2. The 2 here means you're going to draw 2 separate lines. 1, 2. And now you always draw the one on the left first and then the one on the right. 2p6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Notice how I draw these. I draw them from left to right and then fill up the other missing one. 3s2, 1, 2. 3p6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 4s2, 1, 2. 3d2, 1, 2. This will be the orbital notation for, what are we doing? Titanium. Okay, so notice how this is half empty, but that's okay because this is how the element works, and you're not always going to end up with a full shell. And I'll talk about more about the significance of these shells in a future video. So just know that for orbital notation, you want to draw the arrows. All the S gets 1, all the P gets 3, all the D gets 5. And you're going to draw them one arrow at a time, and then fill up all of them first, and then come back to this. So let's let's continue with 3D2. All right, if we have something like 3D10, look at 3D10. 3D10, we'll have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, right? That's why there's 5 different lines for 3D. Now let's say we have like 3D7. We're going to draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Make sure you don't draw it in a different way because then it'll be wrong. Thank you for watching.